Does this look blue?
From this guy's arm.
From here? Yes, it does.
Okay.
What about now?
Nope. That looks like memes a whole.
We're at 2 minutes.
Yeah.
2 minutes.
It was 2 minutes.
That's awful.
Open it,
Okay, let's go.
John, I'm not supposed to open these Doritos and then
Do
just
it.
eat it on the toilet.
Yep. You've almost got green. See, look at that. Okay. Look, they're right here. See that? Mm-hmm. Watch this. We're gonna turn this one. You see where it went? It's right there now.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now it's right here. And this piece is open. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now if you turn this,
Oh.
yeah. Oh, see? See? Oh, I'm getting it. Oh, I'm getting it. Look. See this one over here? Where is it there? That one.
In the corner?
Yep. Has to go in this corner, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we're gonna do this. I'm gonna take this and turn this down here. We're gonna turn it from there down to here, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So now it's right there.
Yeah.
And it has to go right here.
Dude, this one can turn
Okay, so now watch. Now we're gonna turn.
Wow.
We're gonna turn this.
Wow.
Okay. See that?
That's just 3 in a row.
Okay, now where? Oh, look. Oh, look at that.
And there's only one left.
There's only one left. Where is it? Oh, it's back here. It's on the opposite side. Okay? Opposite side. So now all you gotta do is take this, spin that around, okay? Now where? Exactly opposite. You see that? Exactly opposite.
Where? I don't see it though. Oh.
It's right there. And it has to go right here. Okay? Now this is what we're gonna do. Basically, you just have to flip this around. So like if you had this and you just flipped it around, it would be right there.
You just flip it around.
See? It would just be right there, right?
Take 2.
9, hör auf. Okay, look.
Wow.
See that? So now in order to do that without affecting the rest of the green pieces, we have to turn this one out. Okay? Because now it won't affect those pieces, right? Then what do we do?
I think we turn this over there.
Wow. That was a cool piece.
Right? Then what?
Now you just turn all the
Oh,
sides.
yeah.
You want to do it,
Right.
Julie?
Oh,
You want to do it? That's the fun part.
well, how do I put it? How do I only take
You
this
just
one
you
out?
have to switch the whole sides. Turn the whole side.
I don't understand.
Like this. Doot, doot.
Like this,
Moves
like
out.
this.
Wow. This?
Take 3.
Oh yeah, this one's nice. Ah.
Oh.
Like magic.
Understand how this is ever supposed
That's how you do it. Did you learn anything?
Take 5. Oh, this one goes fast.
What is it with you?
This one goes super fast.
Auf, immer.
Take
What's
6.
going on here? What's happening here?
Look, that's yellow.
You gotta start small. Start with
Start
baby
with
steps.
the smallest
Today we learned how to move 3 spaces. Next time,
Is there
4
a bigger
spaces.
one? Nena.
Yeah.
Eh? Es gibt auch größere.
How do people even link?
Can you do yellow? Next, in the next episode, how do people blink?
John, yeah.
Just like this.
I
Teach
said
kids how to
I
wink, John. Next video, how to wink.
Oh, how to wink?
Yeah, it's a Q&A
I
for
thought you
you.
said how to blink. How do you-
that's easy.
How to blink. Oh, I did it. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time
It's like a
when we
two,
teach you
one,
how to smile. Smile for us.
Teach you,
Yeah.
teach you how.
If I was upside down.
John,
Okay.
chicken?
Chicken?
I like chicken. I like fish.
I like chicken. I like fish. Got it?
Nope.
10 minutes later.
I know. I'm really bad at Rubik's Cube.
This is your first day.
I
Please
know.
give yourself some slack. Practice, and then you will be able to solve at least a side.
Hey John, can you just go do like that, like that, like with like those colors? I know what. I know
Don't
what.
let me do it. Don't let me just do it.
I can't do that. How do you do that?
What?
Yeah.
You can't? Okay, look. We're gonna put that right there. This one right here, has to go right here. Right? This is how we're gonna do it. We're going to move this aside over here. Okay. And then we're gonna turn this up. Like that. Okay. Now you see it? Then what?
Why do they always make that sound like?
Because it's old.
I know. We do it like that.
Yes! Okay, good. Now, the corner piece.
Oh, it's all the way.
Yep, it's all the way on the other side.
Yes. Okay, good.
Jamie's filming more ridiculous
like
videos.
Oh, where did they go? Oh, there they are. That's only one little. Where did the green side go?
Green side's gone. Evaporated.
That's it. I'm bad at Rubik's Cube.
Okay, look.
You could let me
Look.
try.
Okay, this one has to go right here. Okay, so we'll turn this up. Now it is exactly across. See that? This piece? See how this piece? See how this piece is exactly opposite? What about now? Can you figure it out now? What now? Yeah, now? He's almost got it.
Knew it. Knew it.
Almost got it.
Hold on.
Going back to what
Right.
we just did.
What did you do?
I actually just took a.
Okay, good.
Just click the X.
Now turn that other side out.
X.
Oh,
This out.
yeah. You see it now? You see it? You see it. Look at that piece, the corner piece.
Oh, and then I do it like that.
Yes, and then? Ouch, damn it.
Now.
You did the side? Good job.
You did it.
No. Jake, stop pulling your hand off.
Good job.
John, take your hat off for 1 second. It's ultra funny.
No, stop doing the
It's super
Snapchat.
Delete.
John, you can take off your scarf, you know. Yeah, man, it's not cold in here. Have the heater on.
Nonsense.
Now I'm doing orange. Mom, can you just please give me
Is that Mel Gibson? It's Mel Gibson in that new movie. Jamie, here, try this. Try this, Jamie.
So you want me to just turn it?
No,
2 minutes.
do a side.
Right. How do I get this? Here?
Just turn it.
Fred.
Yeah, but then this is gone.
I know. No, look.
I can see this on his wish list this year.
You only need 2.
You want a Rubik's Cube for Christmas?
You only need 2 more.
Yeah. What are you doing? Are you doing orange now? What happened to white?
Well, I didn't want it. I wanted
You couldn't get it done?
Okay, look. What do we got
I
here?
got a lot though.
This is sort of yellow. Look,
7 yellows.
Is that one orange? Is this one orange though?
No,
Look.
it's yellow. Hold it the right way and it's all yellow.
Hold it the right way and it'll be yellow. Okay, so now if you take,
How the heck do you do it so fast?
is that yellow?
Yeah.
If you look at it a certain, oh, it's orange.
No, it really is.
Yellow?
Weiter, weiter nach links. Hoch, wo über. Left, down, up. It really is all yellow though.
It looks like it, but it's not really.
Why'd you get that one then?
Because I collect these cubes. Oh look, this one's yellow?
What happened to my orange thing? Where did it go?
Why do you do it so fast?
Well, if you know, let's see, like let's, oh look, there's a yellow one.
There it is.
There's a yellow one when we've already got the yellow side solved. Oh look, but this yellow one could go right here instead. So, this yellow one could go there. Is that more yellow? Oh, that one's green. Yeah? Hey, where are you going? Where are you going? Don't give up. You're saying you can't solve this. Watch. We're gonna solve this right now. Why is there a skeleton right there? It's November. Come here, where are you going? We're gonna solve this right now. This is how you solve one side. Done.
What?
Next question.
What'd you even do? It was like, that's done.
That's it. If you want to learn more helpful tips of how to solve a Rubik's Cube, subscribe. Now, do yellow. You gotta move faster. We've only got a minute.
Why do I always get stuck like that?
Oh.
It's so weird. I get stuck like when I need 2 more.
Yeah. Come on. Finish it.
To a boring video. Julian can't finishing a Rubik's Cube.
The time has come to solve this monstrosity.
Red?
Well, I thought it was, but it looks green now.
Wouldn't even bother with that one.
Solve that.
No, I'll try this one.
Oh. Does that look orange? Look at that. Oh, there's a blue piece. No, it's orange. See? Look at this. It looks like it's almost orange,
Yeah.
but then when you turn it,
Oh, weird.
there's a blue piece. This
Then don't
cube is
turn it.
evil. Don't ever turn it. Only look at it from one side, from one angle.
John, this is the part I always think is weird, how you can get all of a sudden that piece.
That looks orange. Get what piece?
Guck mal, wenn er das jetzt so ist,
Yeah.
this here. Langsam. Yeah, you're going way too fast. Nobody can follow you.
Done.
I still don't know it. Thanks for sharing.
Yeah, here, look. This is up here. That,
Yeah, yeah.
this one,
Langsam.
down there. So, I'm gonna put this one right there. Did you get it?
Nice, got me. That's so weird.
No, this is weird. Look at, okay, look.
You're the one that wanted that one.
I want every cube I can find. But this one is by far the most difficult. I'm trying to,
Well, how
like
do
when
you
I
get-
look at it like this,
How do you get this there? This there.
this,
Do it my way.
right there. This, right there. This, there. Okay? Here we go. Watch. Okay. Where's the sign? Okay. Now you just gotta put the corner piece in. Go.
Oh gosh.
You get 2 minutes. How come this doesn't... Like, can you see that? Look at that. It looks orange. When you turn it, it's blue. This cube is a headache. Like, even that piece looks orange. But it's still blue. But it looks orange. See, look at that. Orange, blue. Orange,
Yep, this 4 cards.
blue. This cube. Impossible. It's called impossible,
Okay,
huh?
what can we do now?
Makes sense. Because it really is impossible. Here's a memory. Solve the cube while you have this attached to your nose. Okay, so. Orange.
Wow, you got one whole side.
No, not really. Nonsense.
I'm gonna see what other kinds of Rubik's cubes there are.
Look at that though, isn't that crazy? That
Yeah.
looks orange. It looks like,
Yeah.
Okay,
and
that
there's
one-
that goes from orange to
there's
blue.
one piece that looks a little brighter and a little darker. This one looks kind of reddish. But if you look at it from a certain angle, it all looks orange. Except for that one piece. And then when you turn it, it all of a sudden looks like it's got yellow, blue, white. Impossible, this cube.
Oh wow, did you know that there's that octagon one.
Yeah, I've seen that one. This is just. It's still. I just want to get it to where
Hey, did you want to have one of those?
it looks solved regardless of how I turn it. Like maybe that's better.
Ja, mit dem Foto.
Those are always awful. Seriously, those photo cubes, they're always awful.
Really?
Like you think it's, oh, what a great idea. And then you get it and then it turns like this. It's like turning sandpaper. It's awful. Those cubes are
Yeah, this
just
one.
garbo. Don't bother.
What the heck is this?
Those are cool.
Übertrieben.
I like that.
Eh?
Yeah. Let's see. I want to. Where is it? It's right here. I want to say this is solved. That has got to be. See, look.
How do you turn the tower? Obviously, you can only turn the squares, no?
Oh, that's cool.
Only das oben dreht sich, ne? Also die einzelnen.
I've never seen that one.
Echt?
No, look, in the picture, it looks like it also turns
Oh, weird.
left, right, sideways. I think this is as good as I'm gonna get. Because every side, regardless of how you turn, it still stays pretty orange. Nothing turns blue or green. There's still those weird, like different shades of yellow and red. But then you've got to get these sides to match. See, and that one that's pretty green, even though the shades are different. Filming this way is funny because you keep looking at yourself instead
What
of
about the
looking at
Rubik's Cube from Bob Ross?
That's a picture
Yeah, but
cube.
it's Rubik's Cube.
Oh, it is Rubik's Cube. Okay, that might actually be good.
It's funny though, no?
But like these, like no-name brand
but
Rubik's
isn't that
cubes,
also?
I would never get those because
Yeah.
those are always.
Yeah, that moves soft.
Except for the professional speed cubes, those ones are smooth. Those ones are really nice. But those knockoff brands from whatever Garbo brand,
Scan,
they're awful.
amp scan.
They don't spin right. Like
Like
they
this
should be
one?
spinning like this.
Sound like that one? Use them? Sound like this one.
Yeah, those. Like you're thinking, wow, that's cool, and then when you get it, it doesn't turn. It's like turning cinder blocks. I think that's as close as I'm gonna get it to being orange.
Don't turn
That,
it.
that looks orange. Looks orange, doesn't it? Even when you spin it. It still changes color a little, but at least it's not green or blue.
Is that called the Impossible Rubik's Cube?
Yes.
Yeah, I see it right here.
Yeah. The impossible. It truly is impossible. It lives up to its name. Okay. This is the impossible cube. It is in fact impossible. I don't know how I'm going to be able to completely solve it. Because you'll just never be sure if like that color was supposed to go there or not. Like right now, I'm just kind of guessing that this is possibly how orange is supposed to look because at one certain angle, they all look orange.
We can get Julian that one done, the easy one. Yeah? Is this one easier with the...
Yeah, 2x2. You can find those at Target, Walmart.
Eh?
Yeah,
Oh,
2x2. It's easy.
Ich will ihm das holen dann. Von dir. Das hier von dir.
Oh, von mir? Soll
Ja.
ich ihm das holen?
Ja.
Ja, kann ich machen.
Weil das, glaube ich, wäre für ihn ein bisschen leichter. Das ist sehr süß.
Ja, okay, mache ich. Oh, ihr werdet es jetzt sehen.
Leave it out inside so I do it.
No, that's why we spoke in German. That's how you keep secrets. Christmas is coming. You can't know. Okay, gotta go now. If you liked it, like it. Check out this cube. If you love Rubik's cubes, you should definitely add this one to your collection. It's impossible, but it's awesome. And I do want to solve it.